For this example, we're going to graph an absolute value function that is linear. So here's our equation, y equals absolute value of 2x minus 6. This is a linear function as we have a line in y equals mx plus b form. So how we're going to start this question off is by just graphing the line of y equals 2x minus 6. So just ignore the absolute value for now. So because this line is in the y equals mx plus b form, I can tell that my slope is positive 2 and my y-intercept is negative 6. So start by plotting your y-intercept. So we're going to plot this down here at negative 6. And then use your slope to come up with some additional coordinates on the line. So with a slope of 2, it's equivalent to 2 over 1, rise over run. So it means we're going to go up 2 and over 1 for each additional point on the line. So we can keep doing this. We can determine also that our x-intercept is at positive 3. And just keep going and adding a few more points on the line. So now if we join these up, we have the graph of our line y equals 2x minus 6. Now, because I have the absolute value signs, I want the absolute value of this graph, which basically means that everything below the x-axis is going to be flipped so that it's shown above. So an easy way to do this for linear points, so basically anything below this x-intercept here has got to be flipped up above. So I'm going to switch colors here so that we can compare the two graphs. And you can just choose a few coordinates that are below the x-axis and then you want to flip them. So this coordinate here is 2 and negative 2. This one here is 1 and negative 4. And then this bottom one here is our y-intercept, which is 0 and 6. So what happens when we flip these is this point is going to move up to the top here. So it's going to be the opposite y value that we have here. Our x value stays the same though. So it's going to become 0 and positive 6. So we count up to positive 6, and here's our new point. The next coordinate is going to be 1 and positive 4. This one becomes 2 and positive 2. Now if we connect these points, this is our absolute value graph. This part of the graph is included. So everything that was below the y-axis, or below the x-axis, is flipped and is now shown in the positive region of the graph.